They won't tell you this at the repair shop, but these 13 fuel additives could be the reason your car runs better without a pricey visit. If you're tired of sluggish starts, wasted fuel, or poor acceleration, these hidden champions deserve your attention. Liqui-Moly Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. Liqui-Moly Jectron is a German-engineered fuel additive that targets dirty injectors and minor buildup in your fuel system. Ideal for vehicles that are starting to show signs of sluggishness, this cleaner helps restore lost performance without needing a mechanic's touch. It's incredibly easy to use. Just pour the 10.1-ounce can into a gas tank with up to 18 gallons of fuel. Within one drive cycle, it begins dissolving harmful carbon deposits, improving combustion and throttle response. Recommended every 1,200 miles, it's perfect for preventative maintenance and is safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. Mechanics hate how easy it is. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron is one of the most recognized and respected names in fuel system cleaners. Its 20-ounce plastic bottle is formulated with patented technology that deep cleans not just the injectors, but the entire fuel delivery system, including valves and combustion chambers. It works on cars, hybrids, motorcycles, lawn tools, and boats. With treatment intervals of every 3,000 miles, Techron can dramatically improve performance, reduce emissions, and restore MPG. Many mechanics use it in-house but rarely tell customers how powerful it is, because once you know, you can use it yourself and skip costly injector cleanings at the shop. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. BG44K is a favorite among professional mechanics for a reason. It's potent. Its an 11-ounce can packs a punch strong enough to clean even severely clogged fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The effects are often felt after just one tank: smoother idling, stronger acceleration, and better fuel economy. Designed for gas engines, BG44K is safe for turbocharged and supercharged setups too. Its extended effectiveness, lasting up to 7,500 miles, means long-term benefits. While mechanics rely on this during service appointments, savvy DIYers know that using BG44K regularly helps dodge costly shop visits. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. Lucas Oil's fuel treatment does double duty. It cleans and lubricates. Unlike harsh solvent-based cleaners, it gently removes deposits while lubricating your fuel system, improving engine lifespan. Compatible with both gas and diesel engines, this additive is a great choice for older cars, motorcycles, and trucks. It helps engines run smoother, burn fuel more efficiently, and emit less pollution. Plus, its powerful formulation offsets the damage caused by ethanol-blended fuels. Use 2 to 3 ounces per 10 gallons regularly, and you may notice more power and fewer issues during emissions testing. It's a quiet hero that mechanics won't advertise. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. Royal Purple Max Clean isn't just another cleaner, it's a performance enhancer. Designed for gasoline and diesel engines, even those using ethanol blends, this cleaner improves fuel economy, horsepower, and throttle response. Each 20-ounce bottle treats 20 gallons of fuel, and results can be felt for up to 10,000 miles. It targets fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and more, while stabilizing fuel to prevent degradation. Perfect before a road trip or performance test, this additive leaves engines cleaner and stronger. Mechanics often skip recommending Max Clean because fewer carbon issues mean fewer trips to their shop and less profit. Boostane Professional Octane Booster. Boostane is for serious performance junkies. Whether you're racing or just want to unleash your engine's full potential, Boostane can raise fuel octane up to 116. Designed for high compression, turbocharged, or supercharged engines, this booster eliminates knocking and pre-detonation, two common issues in tuned vehicles. It's customizable through a smartphone app, allowing you to fine-tune your fuel for specific needs. The formula also combats ethanol corrosion, protects metal components, and stabilizes stored fuel. Used properly, it gives engines more room to run aggressively without damage. Boostane gives drivers control, and that's not something most mechanics want to encourage. Torco Unleaded Accelerator. Torco's unleaded accelerator brings race fuel performance to everyday drivers. It can bump octane levels up to 105, supporting higher compression ratios and more aggressive timing maps. The result? More horsepower and torque. This concentrate is safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors, unlike many race fuels. It's compatible with all combustion engines, cars, bikes, ATVs, and watercraft alike. It's a performance booster in disguise, often favored by street racers and enthusiasts who want results without costly race fuel. Mechanics don't mind when you pay for tuning problems, but Torco users rarely need to make those appointments. Hotshot's secret: Everyday Diesel Treatment, EDT. Hotshot's secret EDT is a multifunctional diesel treatment. It improves lubricity, boosts cetane, cleans injectors, and removes water from diesel fuel, all while preventing rust and corrosion. Its LX4 Lubricity Extreme component protects critical components like pumps and injectors from premature wear. Using it consistently improves throttle response, extends fuel system life, and can increase fuel economy. It's especially useful before emissions tests or long-haul trips. By keeping diesel engines in peak condition, EDT quietly undercuts many diesel service jobs, something diesel mechanics probably won't be thrilled about. It's cost-effective, long-lasting, and extremely easy to use. Diesel Clean plus Cetane Boost. Diesel Clean is one of the most trusted names in diesel fuel additives. Endorsed by Cummins, this product does more than just clean. It enhances performance. It restores power, improves cold starts, and boosts cetane levels by up to 6 points. It contains slick diesel lubricator to protect fuel pumps from wear, especially when using low-sulfur diesel. The result is a smoother, more powerful engine with fewer emissions. It's safe for both old-school and high-pressure common rail systems. Using it regularly eliminates many issues that send diesel owners to repair shops, making it an unwelcome secret in the service bay. Startron Enzyme Fuel Treatment. Startron uses enzyme technology to alter how fuel burns, leading to better combustion, cleaner emissions, and less carbon buildup. It's incredibly versatile, usable in cars, motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, and more. What makes it particularly valuable is its ability to stabilize fuel for up to 2 years, making it great for vehicles or equipment in storage. It also helps reverse the damage caused by ethanol, reducing phase separation and corrosion. Startron cleans your fuel system and restores performance without harsh chemicals. Since it's easy to use and works across platforms, many mechanics keep quiet about it. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam Motor Treatment is a powerful, multi-purpose cleaner designed for both gasoline and diesel engines. It works in the fuel system to clean injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, effectively removing carbon buildup and improving overall engine performance. Seafoam also lubricates upper cylinders, helping reduce wear and extend engine life. One of its key advantages is fuel stabilization. It keeps fuel fresh for up to 2 years, making it ideal for vehicles or equipment in storage. Additionally, it cleans fuel lines and filters, ensuring smooth and consistent fuel delivery. Simply add 1 ounce per gallon to your fuel tank for reliable results every time. LubeGuard Fuel System Booster. LubeGuard's Fuel System Booster uses cutting-edge polyether amine detergents to clean injectors, combustion chambers, and intake valves. It's a dual-action product. While it cleans, it also protects your system with fuel lubricity additives. This is especially helpful for vehicles with direct injection or those that use ethanol fuels. It helps prevent hesitation, rough idling, and power loss. Fuel stability is another benefit. It reduces corrosion and keeps fuel fresh in vehicles that are driven infrequently. Mechanics might not mention this product because a clean, lubricated fuel system means fewer breakdowns and less revenue from fuel-related repairs. K&N Performance Plus Fuel System Cleaner. K&N's Performance Plus Fuel System Cleaner is engineered to restore throttle response, clean carbon deposits, and improve overall drivability. It's designed for both direct injection and traditional fuel systems, treating up to 21 gallons per bottle. By restoring injector spray patterns and clearing intake valve buildup, it helps improve fuel economy and bring back lost horsepower. Regular use also helps prevent pinging and knocking, common signs of carbon buildup. It's made in the USA and meets strict performance standards. Mechanics rarely promote it, but for car owners who demand peak performance and engine longevity, it's a top-tier solution. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and drop a comment if you've used any of these additives.